ceramic industries. Installation of one of the world's most advanced tile production facilities has been finalized in Hammanskraal, Gauteng. Ceramic Industries' new SAMCA Plus plant features Italian-made SACMI tile pressing equipment and a new 241-metre-long energy-efficient kiln. As an innovative business with a long-term view on our investments, we decided to get ahead of the game and invest in world-leading technology and machinery. The investment totals 274 million rand and includes the installation of energy-efficient Italian-made SACMI Continua equipment, production line and kiln. Conventional tile pressing is achieved by filling a cavity with clay, then pressing it between two punches. The bisque emerges as rectangular or square shapes to a size determined by the amount of clay in the cavity and the size of the die box. By contrast, the new machinery uses technology that's able to form the clay between two large rollers in a continuous feed. The clay is cut to size thereafter. This ensures maximum flexibility for tile dimensions, allowing unlimited lengths, widths of up to 1800 mm and thicknesses of between 3 mm and 30 mm. This is a first for our group and a first in Southern Africa. Few manufacturers in the world have the ability to produce a red body tile with high quality textures and unrivaled finishes. SAMCA Plus will be producing large format floor tiles, responding to a strong preference in the market for the near seamless look that can be attained with these sizes. The initial production will include sizes up to 600 by 600 mm in square tiles and up to 600 by 1200 mm in rectangular tiles. Production trials on slabs up to 1800 by 3000 mm in size are planned, and when these are production ready, they'll be the only South African-made slabs on the market. An inline rectification plant forms part of the manufacturing process, producing perfectly square edges that allow for grouting gaps as small as 1 mm, ideal for attaining an uninterrupted design effect. Initial production commenced in September 2021, and from early 2022, SAMCA Plus will also manufacture a select range of shiny tiles. State-of-the-art printing equipment will allow for special effects and printed profiled finishes. We have ambitious plans to become a producer with zero carbon emissions, so the environmental credentials of any new plant equipment is crucial. By the company's current estimations, the new equipment will result in a 17% saving on electricity and a 21% saving on gas. Part of the efficiencies are won from heat recovery, with hot air directed from the kiln's cooling chimney to the dryer. The continuous production method also reduces clay wastage from 12% to just 3%. However, the aim is to achieve zero waste on clay, and the new machinery allows for 100% recovery for reuse in the milling process. A team of 14 Italian technicians have overseen the process in collaboration with the local SAMCA Plus team. Our team members are in a unique position as they have had the opportunity to rebuild and install state-of-the-art equipment that they will ultimately be working with. We have learned new skills from the SACMI team, enabling us to become the most technologically advanced tile producer in South Africa. The team emphasized the company's track record of successfully reading international design trends and the needs of the local market. We're confident South Africans are going to love these new, high-quality, large-format tiles, made with ecologically responsible methods by a proudly South African company.